What's up guys, welcome to Lens Unboxing. So if you're new to the channel, don't forget to check out my other videos. They're all boxing related. If you like this video, don't forget to drop a like. If you're not subscribed yet, subscribe, click the bell notification. Let's get into the video. So a common mistake that I see a lot of boxers do is this. Now a lot of boxers fight with their chin up. You don't want to do that. The reason being is that, let's say I throw my punch, and my chin is up, I get caught at the same time, right on my chin. I'm going to go straight to the ground. I'm going to get either knocked out and lose the fight, or knocked down and lose the round. So I don't want any of those cases to happen to me while I box. So it's very important to keep that chin down. Now, an exercise that I really like to use is basically you take a ball or a hand rep or a pad or a glove, you take something, you put it right under your chin, and you shadow box and hit the bag with it. If the ball doesn't drop to the ground or the item doesn't drop to the ground, you know that you're keeping your chin down. If the item always drops to the ground, you know that your chin is always coming up. So let's get into it. So ideally you want to use a ball about this size, so a lacrosse ball, a tennis ball. In my case, I have a field hockey ball. So what I'll do is I'll take this and I'll put it under my chin. Just like that. Now I'm going to shadow box. So as you guys can see, the ball didn't fall down because I keep my chin down. So I know that I don't bring my chin up when I punch or move or weave or slip or block. Now you want to do this drill while you shadow box and when you hit the bag. If the ball always drops to the ground, like I said earlier, you always bring your chin up. If the ball doesn't drop, congratulations, you're keeping your chin down. So I hope that you guys liked this video. If you did, drop a like. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below. If you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe, click that bell notification. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.